Hey guys, in this video, we're going to review the Gemini CLI. Gemini CLI is a command line tool made by Google that lets you interact with their Gemini AI models directly from your terminal. It's a simple but powerful tool for developers, writers, or anyone who wants quick AI help. Without opening a browser or using a full app, you just type your question or command, hit enter, and get instant replies right in your terminal. Setting it up is pretty easy, especially if you've used tools like Python or Node before. Once installed, you can chat with the AI, ask for code help, rewrite text, or brainstorm ideas, all from the command line. It supports Markdown, code formatting, and multi-line prompts, which is helpful for technical work. The responses are fast and generally smart, especially if you're using the Gemini 1.5 Pro model. It's great for quick fixes or testing ideas without distractions. You can also set your API key, change models, and customize how it works based on your needs. Gemini CLI shines for developers who live in the terminal and want to keep their workflow clean and focused. It's lightweight, easy to use, and gets things done without fuss. While it's not for casual users, it's a great productivity tool for anyone comfortable in the command line. Overall, Gemini CLI is a handy and efficient way to use AI, simple, fast, and built for power users. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.